your L-shaped living and the dining area. This is your beautiful kitchen area where you can check out the beautiful space. My favorite, the bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Swamitva Taravana, which is located in Vadarahalli, Bangalore, a project developed by Swamitva Group. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK villa. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here on the actual land parcel and this is a sample villa basically, and here are the other villas where the construction work of the villas are going on and half of the villas are almost ready. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let's discuss about this project. So, basically, this project is being constructed on total 28 acres of land parcel with 199 villas of 3 and 4 BHK duplex villas and row houses with the plot registration in your name. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 50 plus world-class amenities like of gym, clubhouse that is 20,000 square feet, swimming pool, kids play area, lush green garden, sitting pavilion and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Vadarahalli of Kanakapura Road in South Bangalore. And now let me show you that basically this will be the internal road of the project and this road will connect you towards Kanakapura main road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Art of Living in just 10 minutes. Upcoming metro station is 10 minutes away. Dayanand Sagar Group of Institute is 10 minutes away and Silk Institute metro station is 15 minutes away from the location of the project. So now the wait is over. Now let me take you into the 3 BHK villa of 2,400 square feet super built up area, and it starts from here. So you can add up a security gate over here for your security purpose, and this area over here you can utilize it for your parking purpose. And now, so this will be your L-shaped living and the dining area, the spacious and beautiful one. You can check out how beautifully the interior work is done. Now this is an open lawn area which you can use in a multi-purpose way. So you can add up a garden area over here, you can set your couches or else the table, chairs, and you can enjoy. You can check out the structure of this villa, how beautifully it is, right? One more thing, over this side also. So this you can use as a sit-out area. This side is your dining area. You can check out how beautifully the dining table is set over here. And now the beautiful place, the Devghar. So you can add up a Devghar over here, and as well, here again they have provided a French window which opens toward outside. Now moving further towards your kitchen area. So this is your beautiful kitchen area where you can check out the platforms, the cabinets. Here you can add up your refrigerator, and now here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. And this kitchen area is connected to the utility area as well. So this side comes the utility area. Again where you can check out a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this is the door which opens towards outside. Now, your one bedroom is on the ground floor. So it is just opposite to your kitchen area. So let me take you towards your bedroom number 1. But before that, here comes the common washroom. So this is a common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is your bedroom which opens towards the nature. So you can check out the bedroom with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, a wardrobe space, and again a cross window for cross ventilation. Now let me take you further on the floor number 1. So this side. Here you can check that they have provided the toughened glass as well as the wooden staircase. So now as you can check out, this is a staircase and this staircase will take you towards floor number 1. Over this side, this is not exactly the floor number 1 but the middle partition where they have provided a family lounge. You can add up a sofa set and enjoy with your family, where your family can create a moment, which is attached to the balcony as well. So this is the L-shaped balcony. You can check out with iron railing, and this balcony, as mentioned, it is a L shape which gives you with this view. Now let's move further. So after taking another staircase, this is the actual floor number 1 where there are 2 rooms. So basically this part, you can utilize this part in a multi-purpose way. Now bedroom number 2. Here comes the bedroom number 2. Once you enter from this lobby area, this is a beautiful bed area. So you can even add up a couch over here. And here comes a beautiful balcony with 3-side open view, anti-skid tiles and iron railing where you can enjoy a sip of coffee. A cross window for cross ventilation, and here comes the walk-in wardrobe which is attached to the washroom. This is a walk-in wardrobe and the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now about the master bedroom, that is the 3rd bedroom of the villa. But before moving to it, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample villa and sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. So quickly register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now about the master bedroom. But before that, just beside the master bedroom over here, this is a storage area which again you can use it in a multi-purpose way. And just beside it, here comes the master bedroom. Once you enter this, here comes a beautiful space. My favorite, the bed space, the bay window, a cozy one. Again a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. They have even added up a chair and a table for a workspace, a cross window for cross ventilation. And here comes attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And yes, now about the wardrobe space. So here even they have provided you with the walk-in wardrobe, where again there is a window for ventilation part. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it much more spacious, right? Now let me take you to floor number 2, so just follow me. As mentioned again over here, this is a toughened glass that they have provided. Now, over this side, as you can check out, they have done a plantation, they have grown a money plant over here. You can even add up your own decor as you need. This comes a terrace area on the 2nd floor. So this will be a full open area where you can again add up your own things that you want this terrace to utilize. You can add up a plantation, you can add up a bar counter over here. So this is the whole area, and again you can check out the whole view from here. Isn't it full nature related with a mountain view, giving you a scenic beautiful view. Counter over here, so this is the whole area, and again you can check out the whole view from here. And these are the all villas where the construction work is going on. As you all know, we are here at Swamitva Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below, and all the information and detail of the project is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, Subscribe to our channel Housey.